Hi friends, today we are going to learn easy method of pant cutting. Let's proceed for the cutting of pant. First we'll take the length of pant. It's 14 inch. Now we are marking here thighs and knee. We have taken this thighs marking at 12 inch and knee marking at 21 inch. And this thighs line we have to take here crotch line. This is thigh line plus crotch line. Now we have to take the center of pant at 9 inch. Here we have marked 9 inch and we are taking center of the pant. Now we are marking here bottom of pant 14, half of 14 we mark here. From center we divided it in two sides. Here we will take half of knee length plus 2 inch extra for loosing. Here we are taking 28 inch, half of 28, give shape to thighs area. This is waist line, 36 waist, so we are taking a 9 inch plus 2.5 inch extra for elastic. We have to join this line till the thighs. This is curve area and now we are taking hip area marking. Now we are marking here hip. Hip is 46 plus we will add 4 inch loosing in that. Straight line you have to mark. This is your crotch. Now we are marking here dart of 1 cm and now we are marking your dart at the center line 3.5 inch long and 1 cm from side. Here we will drop down 1 1/4 inch for front. This extra margin to fold the bottom. Now we are doing this cutting. Here we'll cut two parts of the fabric for front. This is front pattern ready. We'll mark back side on this remaining two fabric. You have to add here 2.5 inch, two inch, 1.5 inch. This we are going to add it for margin in back side. If you don't have curved scale, you can also do it with measure tape. You keep it in the shape and mark it like this. Here we are adding 2.5 inch and marking here straight. And taking inside 1 inch, give the shape and mark the curve. Now we are cutting back side of the pant as per pattern. Your cutting is ready for pant. You can see this front and back. Back is straight and we have given this drop line to the front for belt. As we attach the belt in the front, we keep it big and front in small at the waistline, and we take the drop because hip area is always bigger than the front area, and when we drop the front area it fit at waistline properly, so it will be perfect at waistline. If you like this pant cutting, try it and do it at home. Like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe us if you are new on this channel. Thank you.